Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this one more stylish earbuds. So the problem in this earbud is completely dead. So it is not charging completely. Even if we connect charger here, the charging case is not charging, and as well as the earbuds is not charging. So let's find out what is the exact issue. So to know the exact issue, we have to directly tear down this case first. So I'm going to take out the case apart. Let me take the housing apart. So to do that, I have to simply pry it here. So I'm going to show you. So just slowly by prying here, there will be clips and locks here. Like this it will open. You can see. So that's it. So this is the internal look of the one more stylish earbuds charging case. So you can see the magnet is already fall down. So this magnet belongs to this part. So that it will that magnet will hold the earbuds in its place. So we will fix it later using the glue. So first let me see what is the exact problem. So now I'm going to take this magnet and keep it safely here. So alright, there are 4 screws here. So I'm going to take that out. We can take out the flex cable here, but it has been glued. So I don't want to disturb that, because if we take the glue, then the possibility is there to break these clips. So I don't want to take that out. Just I want to check the battery, what is the voltage in that. So I want to take these 4 screws so that motherboard will come out. So using plus screwdriver here. So I have taken these out screws. So before that I want to show you that this is not charging. So simply I want to connect the charger here and I will show you. So this is the power bank here. So once I connect here, so you can see it is giving the voltage, so that this has the charger, the power bank has turned on, but there is no sign of light here properly. There is no sign of light here. So all right, so I have set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here. You can see. Now let's see the voltage of the battery here. So you can see black and red wire, that 2 wires is enough. Let's touch that. So it is showing 0 volt here. So problem in the battery. So let's see by replacing the battery, or let's see whether we can fix this battery itself. So let me see what is the exact reason that the battery has very low voltage. So let's try to fix this issue first. So all right, I have cleaned this motherboard here. So after that I was trying to charge the charging case here. So the light, just connecting here. So you can see the light is turned on now. That means I think it is started charging. So let me see the voltage here as well. So I'm just going to keep this multimeter to 20 volt DC here. So simply I'm just going to keep the wire here. So plus has gone to plus, minus has gone to minus. You can see it is charging now. The voltage is showing 2.94. So this should get boosted. Further it should go to 3.7 volt and above, then this will start working normally. So let me put this in charge and let me come back after some time. So it was there in charging for some time. Now the light is not blinking, so that means it is crossed, it has crossed 3.7 volt. So it is started charging now perfectly. So now it's time to put the earbuds in the case. So it's time to put the earbuds in the case and see whether this gets charged or not. Yeah, you can see now red light is coming here. So I'm going to put the other one left earbud also in the case. So let's see. Yeah, you can see now both earbuds has started charging. Red light is glowing here. So let me keep this for some time and see whether this gets turned on, whether this gets charged, or we have to replace the battery of these earbuds as well. So all right, I have left this for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take out one of the earbuds. So you can see, so the blue light is red light is blinking, red blue, that means it is entered in pairing mode. So one more I am going to take it. So both is working fine now, so it has been charged. So that's it, the problem is solved. So now it's time to put the things back to its place in the housing. So let me do that. So let's see whether after taking this this gets charged or not. So I'm just putting this earbud in the so I have taken out the charging cable. Now you can see the red light is glowing, that means the case is fine. And this one, yes, this has started charging. So everything is fine. Now it's time to put the motherboard back in the case. So before that we have to put this fix these two magnets into this place. So let me fix the magnet. So done. Now simply we have to install the cover here. So after that we have to close this housing. So let me do that. Cover has been installed. Now it's simply I have to put this housing back to its place. Simply locks will be there, we have to press it, that's it. Done. So case is perfectly fine now. So let's see whether this gets charged or not. So simply, so you can see now, so it is charging perfectly. Red light is coming, just going to focus it. So I hope you can see red light is glowing here. So alright, I'm just going to take out this charger. Again I'm going to install this keep this earbud in the case. So you can see it has started charging. Now left side, so it is charging now perfectly. So the earbuds has been fixed perfectly. Now just we have to pair it and check whether this is connecting into the smart device or not. So let me do that. So alright, just I'm going to take out the earbuds here. So once this gets into the pairing mode, I'm going to press this refresh here. So hopefully one more, yes, you can see one more stylish TWS has come here. I'm just going to click that. So let's see. Yeah, it is asking for the permission. I'm just clicking the pair here. So you can see here, I'm just focusing here. You can see 80% battery is already there. So alright, this has started working. So this is the basic steps to fix. We have to diagnose it. We have to do case study to find out the problem and fix it. So if you want me to replace the batteries of this kind of earbuds, or if you want me to fix, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So anybody from all over India, they can send it to my place here in Bangalore, so that I can fix it, and I will send it back through courier. So even you can send it to me here through courier. So alright, so this is the basic working steps I have shown from dead to working. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.